So this is how far we've come. So got just I've done this half of the roof. You can see. Then we've got there, and we've got to try and even this bit out, and then got the last stretch to go. So this should take about another half an hour or something. Yeah. The mini roof is 99.999% complete. We've just got to go over it a bit around the edges. Yeah, just down there. Just down there. So, what I've been doing in the meantime as I've grinded all the black stuff off, is just putting down some of this filler. See here, before there was layers of about 4 different colours of paint. There was yellow, white, and this weird pink colour. So, right, and then so we've flattened that down a bit more. Just thinking where else. Well, we've got a bit more down there around this wheel arch, and then we've got that bit there to do, and then we've got that area around the bit where I put the back section on, and that bit there, and that section, and that last bit there. And I've got that, the other rear lower 1/4 inch panel, and then so the tools we actually used to take the black paint off was this sort of sanding disc on a grinder, and it works really well because you can get different grits for it. So yeah, just gotta do a bit more here down that panel. So today we've just got to finish the last bit of the roof off, flat down the rest of the car, fill a bit more sand, and then we've got to prime it. As I bought from this place on eBay. It's like a company on eBay, but also have their own website. It's Jowl Paints, and it was actually really good. The paint came next day, and it said it usually takes 5 days, and they just delivered it through a van. So I got 3 litres of primer, 2.5 of yellow, and another bit to go with the prime. Well, it's a primer hardener. Then we've got hardener for the paint, fast dry thinners, 2-pack thinners, and some that's about it really. And then my filler's just down there, which I've had for a while. So we've been using the orbital disc attachment with adhesive, which with 40 grit on, which did a really good job of it. So we've just got a bit more to do, and then we should be on priming tomorrow, hopefully. And then by the end of this 2 weeks, we will be painting this yellow. Yay! Okay, this is what Matt has achieved today. Well, this is just the start of the day. He's flatted this off, the bonnet, and he's just trying to flat off that little ridge thing there. Then what I'm doing is I've taken the wheels off, apart from the front one because that's alright, to repair some punctures. We need to repair the hole there and there, and then flat it down inside here. We then need to get this black paint off the trim, which we forgot to do last time. And then down here, this is the last spot to sand and fill. Why did you put the 240? And then so he's flattening it down with 240 now to get it through the curve. What we've had in here that. And then around the back, we've done that where we put that panel on. These are the selection of sanders we've got.
Sorry.
It's alright, you can carry on with that.
You can't hear.
Yeah, so that's what we've done.
Right, now we'll put in the pipe.
yellow paint. Them niggas scared of it, but them hoes ain't. Soon as I hit the club, look at them hoes' face. Hit the pedal once, make the floor shake. Sway inside, my engine roaring. It's the big boy, you know what I paid for it. And I got the pedal to the metal. Got you niggas checking game, I'm ballin' out on every level. Hear them haters talk, but there's nothing you could tell them. Just made $1 million, got another $1 million on my schedule. No love for them, nigga breaking hearts. No keys, push to start. Yeah, you know what it is. Everything I do it big. Yeah, screaming that's not when I pulled off the lot. That's dressed in. And bitches love me cause I'm fucking with their best friends. Not a lesbian, but she a freak though. This ain't for one night, I'm shining all week, ho. I'm sipping Clico and rocking yellow diamonds. So many rocks up in my watch, I can't tell what the time is. Got a pocket full of big faces. Throw it up cause every nigga that I'm with tailored. Yeah, you know what it is. Everything I do it big. Yeah, screaming last night.
Okay, so it's nearing the end of the day, which is our last day for the week. Well, apart from Saturday and Sunday. But so far we've flattened the whole car off now with some 240, which is enough to flat the car off with. Done there around front. Yeah, this is what it looks like at the minute. I've just taken the wheel off so we can repair the last bit in the door. So we've got to make a plate for them. So that's about it at the minute. Done the brushes. Not. Our jowl paint order. Got two things to do before we prime it, which is take the fuel tank out and we've got three things. We've got mask of the steering wheel and everything in there, and then do the door repair, and then we're ready for priming, which will be great. So since we've just got the tiny bit to do here. Done it. Oh, I've just done it.
Yeah, but we need that one as well.
Well, it's not done anyway, mate. Just try and get that shine out around and stuff.
How are you supposed to get that?
I'm doing there. Can you see in there? I've done it a bit, but maybe actually no, leave that. It's done.
Just up there a bit.
So I've been using a lot of sandpaper. Massive roll of 40 grit. Massive roll of 80 grit. 240. 240. Got this little edge trimmer. One with a triangle. So after we prime it, we've got the roof to fill, which you can see we have a bit to do on there. It's one big dent here. So I will let you know we changed the tyres on these as well. Some 1980 Rally Goodyear tyres.
They're all different.
So,